Have a blessed day, brethren. Welcome to the Temple Mount Church of All Nations in Kampala, Uganda, built by the people and for the people, known as Kakande Ministries, headed by Prophet Samuel Kakande. Come, visit Kakande Ministries, let Prophet Kakande prophesy your life, and it will never be the same again. Have faith in God. Healing and deliverance at the Kakande Ministries are free.
We are misled about the marriage issue.
Yes. Yes.
Man of God, my name is Jairus Mwakainga from Malawi. I confirm the prophecy to be true. I was deceived. I left my wife and married another wife. After marrying their second wife, everything's gone down. Up to now, my things is not working.
Brother from Malawi receiving his deliverance.
My name is Daniel Ekitela. I come from Kenya, but I work in Central African Republic, where I've spent about 8 years. I just want to mention to you, Prophet, that in my family, I am the only one who seemed to have advanced.
The abandoned houses.
Where I come from is a marginalized community, and our life since childhood has been that of moving from place to place with livestock, in search of pasture, in search of water. But also the other part is my father, everywhere where we used to go, he could build a house for us where we settle. But the unfortunate thing was all those places, there were conflicts whereby you find another tribe coming to come and fight almost every given evening. So we were always displaced. But during the day, you go back to the house, and then in the evening, you go and seek refuge somewhere else. So this really affected us, and especially our education, myself included, because we could not really concentrate so much in our education. And all those houses which my parents built, they were all abandoned.
That land brought you people problem.
I can confirm here that there was an arrangement from my own father who had actually promised me that a certain piece of land in my hometown was going to be given to me. But we didn't know that that was another conflict, even among the siblings, and it was really very, very difficult. And what we decided later is just to abandon the whole land and to leave it upon the parents and be able to make other decisions on who will take over after us. So the issues of land and the issue of the houses are very true, and I want to thank Jesus for intervening in this case and also for using the man of God to pray for me and my family.
Once upon a time, you were a very wise boy.
It's true.
Too wise.
It's true.
And at 15 years, something happened to you. Because with the competition, you could beat them all.
It's true, Prophet.
They could not match with you.
It's true, Prophet. Most of the competitions, I've always been winning. I've always been the sharpest person. My name is Isaac Dumbe. I'm coming from Zambia, Lusaka, Prophet.
You had a fat colleague who took your book. A fat colleague.
I get you, Prophet.
Ever
yes,
since
Prophet.
that time,
yes, Prophet.
You don't know what happened. Sometimes you want to run mad. Sometimes
yes.
You are running out of your mind.
It's true, Prophet.
Be restored in Jesus' name. Your wisdom, your knowledge, your understanding.
Clap for Jesus Christ for setting him free.
You are free. The issue of politics.
I receive, Prophet.
It has already germinated.
I receive. I've been working with politicians. Even when I was in the University of Zambia, even the current president, I used to work with him.
You are back with him. You are back with him.
I receive.
And the big
I've
post.
been seeing him in my dreams. I've been seeing him. He's going out of the country.
You are back with him. Go and receive your Range Rover. My hallelujah belongs to you.
You deserve it.
You deserve it. The woman was misled.
Yes, true.
And to now you are so much disappointed of
Yes, very much.
her.
Very much, yes. Man of God, I remember the woman was misled, was a girl wanted to marry. And so what happened was, when I wanted to marry her, she was told by the family that she cannot marry me because I'm a poor person, I don't know how to dress and everything.
Up to today, you are so much disappointed
Yes.
with marriage.
Yes.
Come. My very good lady. In the mighty name of Jesus. Devil out. My hallelujah.
Powers of darkness operating in his life are being flushed out. You deserve it. You deserve it.
I defeat you in Jesus' holy name. You are coming back here.
Yes, Papa.
The gold mine at the river, it is yours.
That's what even my father used to do.
The
He was
gold.
doing mining. He
At
died because of
at the
Wema
corner
Road.
of the river.
Yes. Papa, thank you so much.
My name is Charles Juma. I come from Kenya. I have a setback problem from 2010 where I developed a heart condition which has affected my chest, stomach, and the whole system to the rectum. And my manhood also doesn't function now.
Once upon a time, there was a house. This house was near the tree.
Yes.
The tree.
Yes, yes.
Now, the tree was cut. But in this house were 1, 2, 3, and the 4th room.
Yes, yes. It was my father's house.
One room was clearly not open every day.
Yes.
And you people could ask, what is in this room?
Yes, we used to ask. One of the rooms never used to be opened.
There was not dead people or whatever, but something which was strange was being kept in the room.
Yes.
This is the room you dream that you are entering. Sometimes you are closed in the room.
It's true.
And before you got that hurt, you were collapsing in the same room.
Yes, yes. The tree was cut and the house is true. It was my father's house. And my father was a polygamist. That house was being stayed by my stepmother who was practicing some spiritism.
You deserve
Geoffrey Muhombo. The day my father died, my wife died after a week. My 2 sisters died after a month. My other 2 children died also.
Who is he to you?
We came together from Zambia, Kitwe, Copper Belt.
The home at the junction.
The home at the junction belonged to my grandfather.
This is where the tall witch doctor came, started digging a pit and cutting goats, ABCD, destroyed the home with the witchcraft.
Really, that man, the man of God, prophesies who is a witch doctor who came to our family. That man has killed all the people. I've remained the only oldest man in the family.
Come. Let me remove this witchcraft for you. Your mind is beginning to work.
Come, visit Kakande Ministries, let Prophet Kakande prophesy your life, and it will never be the same again. Have faith in God, healing and deliverance at the Kakande Ministries.